We're rolling.
Okay. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't here. Okay, let's go over to the clearer place.
I'm gonna film you being indecisive.
Alright, no, I'll just do a little circuit here. I'll soon know whether it's too tail heavy or not.
Oh! Nope.
It's pretty tail heavy, but it's flyable. Do you know when?
Yep.
Perfect.
We are now doing.
Okay, so I finally repaired Apollo, which I crashed and broke at convention, which was back in February, start of February, so poor thing was languishing for a while. I've given her a more built-up body, given her a squishy crash nose, and a nice new tail, and hopefully she will fly not terribly. There we go. Yeah, she's porpoising a little.
Awesome.
Oh wow, she does that even better than she used to.
Cool.
Oof.
Intersected with the ground. Alright, so she didn't come out of that unscathed, sadly. So I'm just going to see if I can do a little doctoring, get her back in the air for a quick screw you gravity flight. And cut. Okay, so done an incredibly bodged up tape job to hold the tail back on. Admire its terribleness. Now we're going to do that again. Okay, so she needs less down trim. Less down trim is what we need.
And off it goes. Like a failed goose.
I was going to cackle so hard if it landed on the roof.
Oh, nice.
Just porpoising a bit. He needs to be in a reasonably... There we go. That's more like a landing. Okay,
Yeah.
let's take her up again.
And it costs a hell of a lot less. It's styrofoam. Yeah.
He scavenges from butcheries and supermarkets the polystyrene bins where they hold like the meat and fish. And then, yeah, he cuts them, shapes them, and puts the electronics on himself.
Oh, brilliant.
Who needs to put cameras and stuff up? Just have fun. Oh, that is cool.
Oh.
I need to throttle out of that.
That's really clever.
Vertical landing never hurt her.
Unfortunately, of course, cutting it yourself has its risks, as he found that last night. I had to bandage up his hand because the craft knife slipped and he got into him quite a bit.
It is Thomas Plone and real Plone. Oh no. Show off.
Oh, there's nothing.
It booped its snoot.
Awkward nose install. That's what I get
Hey
for telling the
Thomas, the
motor
Snoot
to.
troops.
Alright, I'll give her one more go and see if we can get some good manoeuvres in, and then we'll call it a day.
Hey Thomas, what's your YouTube link?
It's Loon Smock. L-O-N... Sorry, L-O-O-N-S-M-O-C-K.
If you'd like to see, because he's got tons of videos of him doing this stuff on YouTube.
Awesome, thanks.
Oh, would you like to write it down? L-O-O-N S-M-O-C-K.
Oh god, where'd it go?
Yes. That went better than it usually does.
That is so cool.
So far we found him and one other friend of ours that fly fixed wing. Oh,
There we go. Awkward catch, but a catch
Hey.
nonetheless. I think there's enough in the juice in the tank for one more round.
Yum. Watch it die like over the roof. Just gracefully land on the roof.
That was amazing.
oh.
Alright, getting a little too much backslip. Got cut the motor, got a bit of throttle back.
I saw it ages ago and I thought, oh, I want to go see that, but
It's all the same, guys.
Makes it look so easy.
It's not.
Hey, Leo.
As one who has attempted once.
That's a real one.
Yeah, that's not my one.
You wish.
I wish.
Oh.
Oh, getting into a bit of spin there.
Yeah.
It's alright, she'll be fine. I'll see if I can fly it back.
what does it run on? Battery?
Oh yes, a single lithium battery.
Oh wow.
Wow. Like a camera.
Yeah.
Almost.
Well done, Tommy.
Oh.
No. I just need to remind him that he doesn't have that many minutes on his battery.
Oh yeah, cool.
Oh, not there, Tommy.
That's where the booms go. Let's see what's the minimum throttle she can fly on. Turns out that much. It's focusing a bit. I have a little trouble keeping her in control.
Uh,
Okay, I think we'll call that an end to the day's festivities.
Yes.
Sorry for almost pancake landing on the camera there.
see it for the day.
As opposed to landing on the cameraman.
Yes, as opposed to landing on the cameraman. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Oh, oh.
Alright. You're in control. Not particularly good control, but there we go.
Hey!